HMD Global bought Nokia's branding to sell smartphones under the Nokia name. Well, Nokia's comeback has been nothing short of extraordinary, and that is mainly due to a few reasons. First of all, they offer great pricing to specification ratio, something that was missing when Nokia started to fail back several years ago. Also, they provide great Android software upgrades and an amazing experience for their customers, something which has been lacking from a lot of OEMs, including LG and Samsung. Samsung has started to go a little bit better, but it is nowhere close to what Nokia offers in terms of their software speed as well as their amount of upgrades that they provide. And Motorola was great at one point of time when Google had bought it, but now it is just, well, nonsense. Smartphone updates on Motorola smartphones are going down the drain. So, we have an upcoming device which has leaked, the Nokia 8.2. The Nokia 8.1 wasn't really a success owing to the fact that it was overpriced. It had a Snapdragon 710 processor, but it was priced similar to devices which had the 800 series of Snapdragon processors. Well, Nokia kind of started to get its senses, and now that phone is retailing for around 18 to 19,000 rupees in India, and that is approximately about $270 to $300. Well, the Nokia 8.2 will feature a similar design, barring the huge notch that the Nokia 8.1 had. The Nokia 8.1 had a 6.18-inch Full HD display. We expect that Nokia will keep the display size similar in the Nokia 8.2. As for the processor, this device will be running the 700 series of processor, but the latest one. It will be running on the Snapdragon 735 processor. And since I've already praised so much of Nokia software, this is the biggest highlight of this smartphone. This smartphone will come with Android Q out of the box, so that is amazing. So you can expect Android Q to launch with the device, and then you will get the update to Android R. And considering Nokia's track record, you may even get an update over Android R. So that is something amazing. And in terms of storage options, you will have the option up to 256 gigabytes of internal storage and up to 8 gigabytes of RAM. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you liked it, click on the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos and further coverage of Nokia 8.2. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. I'll see you in my next video.